कारिका 2 भाष्य तैजसः हिरण्य फर्स्ट कारिका देन भाष्य तैजस हिरण्यगर्भ
दक्षिणाक्षिमुखे विश्वः मनस्यन्तस्तु तैजसः आकाशे च रुदिप्राज्ञः त्रिधा देहे व्यवस्थितः
भाष्य फ्रॉम तैजसः हिरण्यगर्भः मनस्तत्वा
तैजसः हिरण्यगर्भः मनस्तत्वा लिंगम मनः मनोमयः अयं पुरुषः इत्यादि श्रुतिभ्यः.
This we had seen Vishwa, Taijasa, Pradnya are demonstrated during the waking state. Otherwise, where we have to go? Vishwa, waking state, Taijasa, dream state, Pradnya, deep state. But these three entities are pointed out in the waking state itself. While doing so, a topic that was not elaborated earlier is taken by Bhashyakara to explain. What was it? Vishwa Virat identity was revealed. Pradnya, Avyakta, identity was revealed in the mantras. But in the mantras, Taijasa and Hiranyagarbha are identical. It was not very clearly explained, but just passingly hinted. Passing it was hinted. So therefore now, that Taijasa is Taijasa, that dreamer consciousness at the individual level, Veshti level. Hiranyagarbha, the deity of macrocosmic subtle bodies at the totality level, samashti level, are one and the same. It is being pointed out here, so that we have seen this. Both Taijasa, Veka, dreamer consciousness, and Hiranyagarbha are one and the same because they abide in the mind. Manas Tattva, their avasthana abides in where? One is individual mana, other is total mana. So that is what said. Lingam manaha, Brihadaranyaka was quoted, Linga Shariras mana. Manomayaha ayam purushaha. That is, here Purusha is Hiranyagarbha. Manomayaha is the one who is endowed with the mana antakarana. This was told. Means manaha, not manaha. Taijasaha and Hiranyagarbha are one and the same entity. Difference is one at individual level, other at totality. Now the question is, see, he is just picking up few things, which he means who? Bhashyakara. Picking up few things which he had not elaborated earlier. You can't expect a teacher, the Acharya, to explain everything at one stroke. Even Bhagavan Krishna cannot do it. Somewhere in 7th chapter he hints and elaborates in the 13th chapters. So like that. So now here, Bhashyakara picks up another thread. What is it? In this, while demonstrating the Avyakrita Pradnya in the waking state, what was the method adopted? First, Vishwa was pointed out by Darshana, perception, something you are seeing something. Withdraw from the sight, mental level, you do Smarana, Vishwa is not there, Taijasa. Now that Manovyapara of remembering what you have seen physically at the waking state level, that also is withdrawn. What is that? Avyakrita. Avyakrita was there. So now he says, and at that time, what was told? See, Darshana Smarane eva hi manaspandite. Function of the mind, Darshana, perception, Smarana, remembering. Remembering, which is what? Equated to dream. Equated to dream. So they are at the my mental level. Tadabhave, where perception also is not there, memory also is not there, means who? Vishwa, Taijasa are not there. See, Hridi avisheshena. Hridi is ardhakasha, not antakarana, ardhakasha. Avisheshena, earlier Bhashya has seen this, you locate it in the Kailas Ashram book, 32, first para, last line. In Gita Press you find out verity. Just 2-3 lines are there it is. So that is Avisheshena Pranatmana Avasthanam. All Karanas, Indriyas, sense organs and organs are remaining, abiding in the form of prana, for which Chandogya was quoted in the context of Samvarga Vidya. Pranaha ya hi, not her, pranaha hi eva etam sarvan samrutti. In sleep, prana, what does it do? Etam sarvan, all karanas, all indriyas, jnanendriyas, karmendriyas, samvrante, withdraws unto itself. This was told there. Now he says, look, you are telling us in the deep sleep state, wherein what? everything is withdrawn. And what in the what form he is that? Prana Atmana. Who told you prana is avyakta? When you sleep, your prana are vyakta or avyakta? Suppose when you sleep, prana also decided, see, all are sleeping. Let me also sleep. What will happen? Next day morning, all phone calls. How? Come to dispose of the body. Prana functions or not? Heart is beating or not? For digestion, this fellow has gone to marriage and he has overeaten. All pranas are doing overtime. They are doing. And you are telling Avyakrita. How is it unmanifest condition? So how is it Avyakrita? So that is the doubt. See, earlier I said, now one by one he is picking up. So what is that? So that doubt is being answered first. The doubt is posed.
ननु व्याकृतः प्राणः सुषुप्ते तदात्मकानि करणानि भवन्ति कथम् अव्याकृतता
No, this is a doubt. What is that? Sushupte. So sushupte, during the waking state, Vyakritaha pranaha ad bhavati. What you said? Nirvishesha. But really Nirvishesha is not there. Prana is functioning. All physiological functions are going on during the sleep. Otherwise what will happen? The person will die. He is going to die if pranas are not functioning. So we know that he is waking up. He wakes up, means he was alive during the deep sleep state. Vyakrita prana, sushupte vyakrita pranati, tadatmakani karanani. All karanas, sense organs of action, mana, are where now? Abiding where? In the prana. Karanani means senses, sense organs and organs of action. Tadatmakani means pranatmakani. They have the form of prana. When this is the case, it says, in sushupti, katham avyakrutata. How do you say so that in this state, pranas are in avyakruta? See this word. Vyakruta means manifest. No vyakruta means not manifest, unmanifest. How do you say? If pranas were stand still without function, you can say they are avyakruta. Pranas are functioning and therefore katham avyakruta. How do you say they are in the condition? For which Bhashyakara is giving the answer.
न एषः दोषः अव्याकृतस्य देशकाल विशेषाभावात्
Eshaha doshaha. Sir, what you pointed out is not a defect. It is not a defect. Why? Because your concept of Vyakrita, Avyakrita is what? Vyakrita means manifest, functioning. Avyakrita is unmanifest, not functioning. That is not the definition of Avyakrita. This is what is meant by Avyakrita, Bhashyakara points out. Avyakritasya, this is the definition of Avyakrita. Desha Kala Vishesha Bhava. In any entity which is in the state of Avyakrita is what? These two are not manifest, these two are not cognized, these two are not experienced. What are those two not experienced? Desha, Kala, Visheshanam, Abhava. A specific place particular time, these are not experienced. If this condition fulfills, avyakrita. If you are aware of place, if you are aware of time, it is not avyakrita, it is our concept of what? Functioning and non-functioning. That is not the definition. Because in the deep sleep state, pranas function, he was telling it the vyakrita, and if they are not functioning, avyakrita. That is the question. That is not the definition of vyakrita and avyakrita. That wherein desha, space, place and time are perceived, experienced, that is vyakrita. Where these two are not perceived, that is avyakrita. See? Avyakritasya means whatever entity that is avyakrita means desha, kala, vastu, paricheda shunyam. Even vastu. Desha, kala, vastu, paricheda shunyam. Free from paricheda, limitations of desha, space, kala, time, vastu, object. So that is what is the definition of what? This. Now tell me, in sleep, for the person who is asleep, desha, kala, vastu of prana is there? If it is there, what should happen? In my sleep now, pranas where in this body are functioning. Should you not be aware of it? Which is not there. So therefore, for the sleeper consciousness, for the prajna, in sleep, there is no awareness of who prana operating in the body during this time of sleep, and therefore what? Vastu doing all these functions. Not there. So therefore it is avyakrita. Vishesha bhava. So that is now explained. Further he says,
यद्यपि प्राणाभिमाने सति व्याकृतता एव प्राणस्य तथापि पिंड परिच्छिन्न विशेषाभिमान निरोधः प्राणे भवति इति अव्याकृतः एव प्राणः सुषुप्ते परिच्छिन्नाभिमानवता.
Same thing is further explained. Yadyapi, even though, make adhyara there, swapne. Yadyapi, add swapne, adhyara, supplementary verb. Pranabhimane sati. In dream, abhimana, identification with prana is there. I am walking, talking, etc. is there where in the dream state is available. Even though it is so available in the dream state, and therefore what? Pranasya vyakrutata eva. In the dream, prana is certainly what? Vyakruta. Means desha kala vastu, awareness is there. Experience is there in the dream state. Yet, tathapi, even then, add another adhyara, sushupte. Even then, in the deep sleep, pinda parichinna vishesha abhimana nirodha. Nirodha means layaha, means extinction. You come across this word nirodha? Yogastu chitta vritti nirodha. What is Nirodha? Chitta Vritti, Nirodha. What do you mean Nirodha? Rahityam. Absence of Antakarana Vritti is called yoga according to Patanjala Sutra. Yuj atha yoganuशासनम. Patanjala Sutra starts with what? Now, yoganuशासनम. Teaching about yoga. Question is, what is yoga? Yuj samadhau. Is now the teaching about the samadhi starts. Then what do you mean by yoga samadhi? Yogastu chitta vritti nirodha. It's the chitta vritti rahityam. Absence of chitta vritti. You have to see the bhashya. It gives different types of, 5 types of chitta vrittis. 5 types of them. All they are not there. So one thing you should keep in mind, in the Yoga Shastra, Jiveshwara Aikya is not directly unfolded. Because that is not the subject matter of Patanjala Yoga Sutras. Patanjala Yoga Sutras' main aim is to present Ashtanga Yoga as Chitta Chikitsaka, a means which what? Treats the mind. A means wherein the mind is so treated that it is in a position to directly know the Swarupa. But there also Jiveshwara Aikya is there. It can be proved indirectly with the help of few Yoga Sutras. This is proved by Vidyaranya Muni in that is Jivan Mukti Viveka. In Jivan Mukti Viveka it says, though directly in Yoga Sutras, Jiveshwara Aikya is not unfolded, but it is there implied, and he proves based on 5-6 sutras there. The topic is different. So in physics class, if you expect chemistry, what will happen? But to some extent required, which is brought. Otherwise, it is not going to be dealt with. You have to go to chemistry only. So that is how it is. Other thing, for samadhi, Ashtanga Yoga is not the only means as such. What does that mean? Chit Jada Viveka. You are familiar with the phrase Drik Drishya Viveka. That Drik Drishya Viveka. Do you know who gave it? Goddess Saraswati. Goddess Saraswati. Can you question? Goddess Saraswati is given. So therefore, with that say, in Yoga Vash also, don't think Ashtanga Yoga is the only means to have the Samadhi. Chit Jada Viveka also there. But what happens in Chit Jada Viveka, Viveka is involved, inquiry is involved, it depends on the frame of mind of the individual. There are certain people, even if you ask them to lift a mountain, they are ready to do that. Ask them to sit at one place and solve a riddle, buddhi काम नहीं करती. The mind doesn't function. Means they can't take to thinking properly. They are ready to do something. Like that, Ashtanga Yoga is for those people who can take to the rigorous practices like that, pranayama, etc., kumbhaka and all those, etc. For other Chit Jada Viveka who have got the capacity to think and apply the mind. So that is what Chit Jada Viveka. It is. You can't take Drigdrishya Viveka lightly. Do you know why? It is nothing but Saraswati Rahasya Upanishad taught by none other than Goddess Saraswati to sage Ashvalayana pertaining to Rigveda. The teaching to whom? Ashvalayana. By whom? Goddess Saraswati. Earlier portion is upasana. In Drigdasha Viveka, that upasana portion is deleted and verbatim all rest is taken with further explanation. So that is how it is. So that he says, in sleep, that is that even though, no, in dream, even though identification with the body in terms of desha, kala, place and time is there, tathapi, even then what happens? Sushupte, in the deep sleep state, sushupte to be added as a adhyara. So, pinda parichinna visheshabhimana nirodha. Nirodha, laya, extinction of vishesha abhimana with the pinda. Pinda parichinnam. Pinda stands for deha. Abhimana, identification. Identification with the physical body is totally absent where? In the deep state. Suppose if identification with the physical body is there in sleep, what would happen? Huh? It is not sleep. It is not sleep. In sleep you are not aware of the body. So that's how it is. Pinda parichinna, that is pinda stands for body. Parichinna, limitation, that abhimana, identification. Vishesha, that this body is me, this prana abiding in the physical body is what? My pranas, such abhimana, identification, nirodha, extinction, layaha, prane bhavati, happens so in the case of prana abiding where? In the deep sleep state, in the that is it. Iti avyakritaha eva pranaha sushupti. In the deep sleep state, prana is what? Who is the avyakrita, unmanifest. For whom? Paricchinnabhimanavata. For those who have got identification with the body in the dream state with the prana, or even the waking state with the prana. Now same thing, that is no identification with the body in the sleep, so is the case no identification with the body in any other state. Death. In death also, in death pranas are there or not? What happens to pranas in death? Goodbye. Goodbye to what? Goodbye to body and thereby goodbye to the world of that entity. World of that entity. Goodbye to the pranas. They travel. See, that's why it is said. A jnani is made, a statement is made. And it's a nice thing to ask a question. Explain. What is that? If examination were to be conducted for Vedanta, I think for post-graduation, etc., they are there. Philosophy, etc. Explain with reference to context. So what is that? For a jnani, there is no death. Can you explain? If we say, what is our concept? Jnani, he will live. Or what they call Chiranjeevis. We have got few fellow Chiranjeevis, no? Markandeya, and then who? Ashwatthama. On the wrong side, Ashwatthama. Markandeya is the right side. On the wrong side, Ashwatthama. Like that what? All jnanis will be Chiranjeevi. Don't make a note, okay? किसने बोला? ज्ञानी will not that way. See, jnani will not do it. Then you have to investigate The meaning of the word marana, death. Jnani's pranas will certainly cease to function. The body will be inert, non-responsive, accepted, but it has no travel. Vrang, pranatyage means utkramana. Utkranti means pranas leaving this body and traveling to take other body. That is called marana. In Jnani's case, what happens? Prana, here itself what? They disintegrate. Like water drops put on very hot rock. Very hot rock. Or you take tawa, frying pan. Very hot. Sprinkle few water drops. Psst, disintegrated. Like that, here in the case of Jnani, what happens? The Suksharira just disappears. There is no locus for future travel to take to rebirth in terms of repeated transmigration. Punarapi jananam, punarapi maranam is not there. Good or bad? Good or bad? You new bodies you will get. So now you have a human body, then you will be a swan, fly. or a white pigeon. More danger. This fellow will catch and sell it. And that fellow has to sit where? In the cage. So like that. You can soar high, too high in the sky. Now you have to go by flight, you have to pay a lot of money. Pukat. You yourself have got this, is it not? All beautiful scene you can see. They say, Vihangama Drishya. Hill station, at certain point they put the board. Vihangama Drishya, not Vihangama. Vihangama is a bird. Bird's view, beautiful. You can have. No. It is samsara. It is not there for who? Jnani. खाली पडलाय. इथे माझ्या पायाकडे. ठीक है, okay. Is that fallen down? Don't think what has happened. It just slipped down, that's it. So therefore it says, for the one who is asleep during the deep sleep state, say, there is no identification with the body. So same thing is at the time of what? Death also. Read.
यथा प्राणलये परिच्छिन्नाभिमानिनां प्राणः अव्याकृतः तथा प्राणाभिमानिनः अपि अविशेषापत्तौ अव्याकृतता समाना प्रसव बीजात्मकत्वं च तदध्यक्षः च एकः अव्याकृतावस्थः.
यथा, just as pranalaye, here pranalaya is marana. Pranalaye, marane, at the time of death. I just took the context of who? Jnanis. Actually, Jnanis, we can't say death, we say death. No, if you're not there is sannyasi, Mahasamadhi. Bhagwan knows where he is. So, few words though they have got. The sannyasi is not asked, where are you staying? No, no. आपका आसन किधर है? He is being asked, have you taken your food? No, no. भिक्षा हो गई क्या? I told you once, I was the victim of this question. आपका आसन किधर है? I was at Nagpur, and from Nagpur, talks were arranged in the interior villages. Yeah, I went there, talks were going on, etc. There is a small ashram was there. So they took me to that. One sadhu was there. So he asked me, आपका आसन किधर है? I'm looking up and down. I didn't know this. बाद में सबसे सब clicked. Means where do you stay? That was it. That is what the question. So for other person is did you have your food? You sannyasi, आपकी भिक्षा हो गई क्या? आपकी भिक्षा. So like this, words are different words are used. So here pranalaye. So not Mahasamadhi and all those. Who can verify whether he went to samadhi or sleep or Mahasamadhi? It's a way of respect. It's a way of respect. Pranalaye, at the time of death, marane, parichinnabhimanina, those who are identified with the limited body. Parichinna deha jnanabhimanina. Abhimani means one who is identified, one who has got abhimana. Abhimana is the sense of identification. That is parichinnabhimana. Pranaha avyakritaha. So, pranalaye means at the time of death, to those who had hitherto identification with the body. A person who is dead now, till death, had he not the identification with the body? So the one who had identified, for that person is what say that is avyakritaha. Prana becomes what? Avyakrita, because identification the body is not there. This my pranas are abiding in this body, this concept or notion is not there. Tatha, like that means, just as in the case of death, the person has no more identification of the prana abiding in specific body, like that. Tatha, pranabhimaninaha, in Kailas ashram, correction is there. Pranabhima has become la there. Laninaha, not laninaha. Maninaha. Pranabhimaninaha api. So that what is that? That we have to add there. Prananam avisheshapattau. Pranas being avishesha means that notion that in the sleep also, that notion that these pranas are abiding in my body is not there. Avishesha means distinct feature being not there of abiding in the particular body. These pranas also have got avyakrutata, samana. That is that state of avyakruta is samana, same in the deep sleep state also. Just as in the depth there is no notion of this prana abiding in his body, so is the case with the sleep, that these my pranas are abiding in this body of mine, this notion is not there. Samana. Not only that, Prasava Bijatmakam Cha. The Cha stands for Samanam. Prasava Bijatmakam Cha. The status of being a Bija, cause of Prasava. You know what is Prasava? Prasuti. That is what? Utpatti. Birth. Utpatti. That is, look here. Person who is dead is going to take the next birth. Utpatti, Prasava is there or not? So now, person who has gone to sleep, Prasava, Utpatti is there or not? No. He is waking up. No, not that way. There taking a different birth. Here not taking birth. The one who is asleep again wakes up or again goes to what? Dream. That is Utpatti. Utpatti of a state other than the presently existing deep sleep state. That Prasava. Prasava means in Marana, Prasava Bija is there. In Sushupti, Prasava Bija is there. Means he is going to wake up or he is going to dream after. Cha. That is fine. This is with respect to who? Upadhis. Who is abiding these upadhis? Jiva. What is the basis of Jiva? Chaitanya, Atma, Adhishthan Chaitanya. That is, in the Sushupti and Avyakrita, one and the same Sakshi Chaitanya abides. Upadhitaha was told. One and the same entity is there. Now, Upahita, you know this? Upadhi and Upahita. See, for space, pots are Upadhi. Space in the pot is Upahita, that which is contained in the Upadhi. That is say, Tadadhyaksha. Tayoho Adhyakshaha. Adhyaksha here is Adhisthata, who presides over, who controls. You have heard this word? Ishvara is Karmadhyaksha. Whatever is Karmadhyaksha? Literally you have to say, Ishvara presides over karma. Mayadhyaksha presides over Maya. What does it mean? One who controls, one who regulates the karmas, mayas, prakriti. It is called adhyaksha. In normal meeting, etc., there is adhyaksha. President. Who is the president? Presides over. Generally, he has no much work, but he has got all responsibility that everything should go in order. So that is what is the adhyaksha. In whose presence, the one who is there, everything goes on. That is what Ishvara. Just presence is required. So that everything goes on. Once Vishnu told Lakshmi, you think that you are massaging my feet and I am asleep. So I am in my Swarupa, I am in my Swarupa only. And your Swarupa, that is what takes care of sthiti, administration, sustenance of the Jagat. That is called, technically called Yoga Nidra. Yoga Nidra. And if you close your eyes, useless fellow, sleeping, sleeping. And if Vishnu closes the eyes, Yoga Nidra. His eyes are not totally closed, slightly open. Even Shiva, slightly open. Means he is neither aware of external world nor aware of internal world. He is very absorbed where one, because of him external things are known, internal things are known. Chaitanya Swarupa, Atma Swarupa, Brahma Swarupa. So that it says Tadadhyakshaha. Tadadhyaksha means Tayoho, of those two. Who are they two? Sushupta Avyakೃತಯೋho. Of both Sushupta, the one who is asleep, Pradnya, and that macrocosmic samashti level, unmanifest Avyakೃತ, or you can take Ishvara also. So the Adhyaksha means Sakshi, Adhishtata, Avyakೃತ, Avastha. So that is what? That Sakshi abiding in sleep and Avyakṛta is what? One and the same. Though Upadhi of sleep, Upadhi of Avyakṛta are different. One is individual, other is total. And then he says that because of all this that was told so far, the earlier identity between the individual Vishwa Virat, Taijasa Hiranyagarbha, Pradnya, Avyakṛta, hold good.
परिच्छिन्नाभिमानिनाम् अध्यक्षाणां च तेन एकत्वम् इति पूर्वोक्तम् विशेषणम् एकीभूतः प्रज्ञानघनः इत्यादि उपपन्नम्.
So here, identity of Pradnya and Avyakṛta only is taken. Not the Vishwa, Vishwa, Virat, Vishwa, Vaishwanara, and Taijasa Hiranyagarbha, not, that's already over. Now here, what was told, identity between mantras, identity between the Pradnya and Avyakṛta, those hold good. See what he says? Parichinnabhimaninam adhyakshanam. So Parichinnabhimaninam adhyakshanam means those who are identified with the individual body, that adhyaksha, sakshi. Sakshi, in the case, which sakshi? One who enables all functions in a given body at the individual level. Physical functions, pranic functions, antakarana functions. One is it. What is the other name for that? Antaryami. Antaryami. Antaha sanyamayati. Abide in the body. Controls means what? Enables. Jnanendriyas, karmendriyas, antakarana, pranas to take to that function. Antaryami. Don't think controlling means something that do this, do that, etc. Enabling them to function. So that is Parichinnabhimaninam adhyakshana. The Sakshi abiding in different individuals identified with different bodies. Tena ekatvam. Tena means who? Avyakṛtena. That is Chaitanya Atma conditioned by Avyakṛta as in the Sushupti Avastha, what is called as Avyakṛta Avastha. So Tena ekatvam, there being identity with it, it says all earlier Visheshanas hold good. Iti, you can take Anvaya, Eki Bhutaha Pradnyana Ghanaha Ityadi, Ityadi for Sarveshwaraha, etc. Visheshanam Upapannam. These Visheshanas were told where? In the mantras. Mantras 5 and 6. That Avyakrita Eke Bhutayesu Pradnyana Ghanaha Sarveshwaraha. So that is all these what Upapannam means. Hold good, they are tenable. They are tenable. How do they hold good? The reason is being given.
तस्मिन् उक्त हेतु सत्वाच्च
Tasmin means in the Purvokta Visheshane, in the adjectives that were given earlier. What are those? Prajnana Gana Sarveshwara, in all these things that was told in the mantra 5 and 6. So it is Ukta Hetu Sattvacha. The Sattvacha, because of presence of the reason mentioned earlier. What is the reason? Adhidaiva, that is Avyakrita, and Adhyatma is who? Pradnya, are one and the same. Individual who Pradnya, total Avyakrita or Ishvara, are both one and the same. This holds good. With this what happens? Vishwa Vaishwanara, Taijasa Hiranyagarbha, Pradnya Avyakriteshwara are identical. This fact is proved now. Now one more doubt is hanging. What is it? In Avyakrita, that when Darshana, Smarana is not, we have seen this earlier. Darshana, perception. Smarana, remembrance. Which is equated to what? Swapna. Are not that we are aware in the Avyakrita. At that time, all these pranas, Jnanendriyas, Karmendriyas, are in the form, in the Avyakrita stage, they are in the form of prana vastu. Now, what is your concept of prana? If you are asked, what do you mean by prana? Obvious. Prana, Apana, Vyama, Dana, Samana, 5 vital acts, is it not? Are they functioning or not? How can they be Avyakrita? How can they be there? Because prana is functional. It cannot be something which is what? Non-functional as well. But you are saying, see that statement, page 32, first para, last line, Hridi eva avisheshena pranatmana avasthanam pranaha hi eva etam sarvan vrinti. This is the topic of discussion now. To ascertain what exactly is meant by prana. The general concept is what? Pancha pranas. It is not so. It is what? Paramatma, Sat Brahma. If Sat Brahma, problem is there. That problem is solved now. Let us see what happens. That is, that prana is Sat Brahma, prana is Pancha prana accepted. But when the Shruti has used prana samvrante, prana withdraws unto itself. To begin with, it is for who? Pancha prana. But finally it is for Sat Tattva Brahma. Sat Tattva Brahma can be viewed two ways. One, with the bija of Maya for creation. Other, without the bija of Maya, there is no creation. So these things are being now ascertained. You have to take that way, otherwise few problems are going to crop up. Step by step he is going to explain to us.
कथम प्राण शब्दत्वम अव्याकृतस्य
See, the doubt is like this. Prana word is used for pancha pranas, 5 physiological functions. Prana, apana, vyana, udana, samana. So, how and when it is functioning, how can you say it is avyakrita? Avyakrita prana shabdatvam. So that is the question. And question, the counter question is, how do you say so, sir? Listen. He gives the answer is being given.
प्राण बंधनम ही सौम्य मनः इति श्रुतेः
Chandogya 6:8-2. Somya, whither Somya? Shvetaketu. Oh dear Shvetaketu, father Uddalaka says. Shvetaketu, Manaha. Manaha here is Jivaha. Mana upahitaha Jivaha. The Jiva conditioned by the Mana Antakarana. Prana Bandhanam is centered where? In the Prana. And this Prana is not Pancha Prana, it is Sat Devata. Sat means Sat Brahma. The context, if you remember, a bird tied up with the string with leg flies hither, etc., and gets tired, finally comes back where it is tied. Or you can say, in the deep seas, on the mast of the ship, so many birds are there. They go on here and there, etc., and finally evening, where they come? Mast. They can't go to the beach because very far. In the deep ocean they are there. Mast. So like that, hunter, hunter, no? They tie one leg of the bird with the string and others, they weren't there. So the bird goes on flying here. Flying where here? In that particular limited circle. Gets tired where it comes. Purchase where it is tied. So like that, Jiva, morning he gets up. What time gets up depends. 4 o'clock, 4:30, 5 o'clock, 5:30, 6:30, 7:30, 10:30 also. 10:30 also. And then starts daily routine. Returns, that also depends. Nowadays, not before 11 o'clock. Office people, before 11, there was a time, even an executive at 5 o'clock out from the office. Now, higher level, more nocturnal. So, yes, yeah. I was just seeing, olden days, Gita Jnana Yajnas were going on, Gita Jnana Yajna. Many office people used to come, even higher level, at the most 5:30, by 6 they are what? Out. Nowadays they can't. It's not possible. They can't leave the office at all. Just impossible for them. I was wondering, in the olden days, attendance for Gita Jnana used to be many. Now it is very less. Even if a celebrated speaker is there, less. I wonder what is the reason? There are many reasons. What is that? Olden days, the sources of such discourses were less. Only when such great masters used to come, they used to have that. That is one thing. Number one, this office timing. Number 3, transport. I have seen crowded train means what? You can comfortably stand. Nowadays, crowded train, horrible. I have traveled. That is it. Number 4, you know what? Started with TVs, now online. Look at corner of the world, satsanga are available. You have to choose it. Who will go to that? Unless they have got institution. Such and such institution, the followers come there. That was their loyalty to the institution. It is not there. Good or bad? You decide. Good, provided you really make use of it. How you make of it? Select the best. Select the best. It is good. At the tip of your satsang, etc., kathas, etc. Now, for example, professional people, with all music, etc., those days it was not accessible for all people. Now in a drawing room you can, depends on you, how you make. You can damn yourself also. There are enough avenues are there in the online to get yourself damned also. So that is Murshitehi. Now you say, a doubt is raised. My dear sir, that prana bandhanam is somya manaha is not the pancha pranas as you think. It refers to what? Sat Brahma. So how do you say so? Now the doubt is raised, and that Sat Brahma refers to both. What both? Bijatmaka, Abhijatmaka. With the Maya, cause for creation, without that also is there. See in the context that Sat has got itself the bija of creation, otherwise creation will not come. All these points will be elaborated, we'll see.
स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्तां न्यायेन मार्गेण महीं महीषाः गोब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यं लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु काले वर्षतु पर्जन्यः पृथिवी सस्यशालिनी देशोऽयं शोभरहितः ब्राह्मणाः सन्तु निर्भयाः ॐ सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मामृतं गमय ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः हरिः ॐ श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ॐ
अहं ब्रह्मास्मि अहं ब्रह्मास्मि अहं ब्रह्मास्मि wait.